vlog, what's up? Right now we're about to make some fettuccine alfredo with chicken, some chicken alfredo. Something to call it? Yeah, so I tried something different this week. Usually have Jamaican cuisine, now we're gonna have a look at Italian. Maybe telling them something like pasta and holiday something. So just put the water on to boil, cut chicken, deboned it, gonna cut these up. That's from this morning, that's a rundown if you don't know about that. Oh yeah, meal link in the box.
We about to turn it on.
No, it's it. Forgot to do. So I use like you said. I use about half my box. Alright, so I ended up in the gas in the dot. Alright, here we go. Here's like so just done cook the pasta right, so cut up so debone some more chicken and stuff. That's what I already do. I will put it in again so I can finish cook. Unless I put them al dente and which means half cook. Then they're almost done. Pepper and still for going. Look at over there, so it look neat. I add the chicken right now. I just cook. Hopefully, yeah, look like it. This some of these that undercooked, so a little and mix, you know. So let's cook them real quick. And then we're gonna add these when that's almost done. And the reason why I'm cooking at this because anytime the pasta going and the chicken already in there. Just want to have enough space so I can turn it if it needs to be turned or mix it up, you know. If you look on this, cut it. It's supposed to be clear, no pink on the inside. That's what you want it to look. There we go. Add these red pepper and the black and green pepper. That's alright. So then can finish sauteing it. I like cut my green pepper and red pepper them long way. You know, just a habit now. Alright, so now we're gonna add the heavy cream to this so it can start cooking down. That was 12 ounces, but I'm just going to use a box. I got tell you how much ounces. Yeah, that's that. Alright, just make this cook down. As it starts to get thick, then I add the Parmesan. I add the Parmesan cheese, got the store brand shop right to make this thick. So this says I should have 2 bullets, but I'm not going according. So I'm just gonna dash until I feel that should be good. Let's mix that and just gonna make it thick and cook it up. Right? There we go. We just added the Parmesan cheese. I think we need some more in it. Now it's coming to a bubble. You see that bubble there? Yeah. And it should slowly start to thicken, and then we add the pasta. Alright. So, as you can see, the sauce will get thicker. So now we're gonna add the pasta. Alright. And this is why I'm cooking at a butter, because I'm mixing now. You gotta cook this for at least 2 minutes. So yeah, just mix it and just let it simmer down. 2 minutes. Remember, the pasta is already half cooked, so you just need 2 minutes to warm it up. Look at that. Now see that? Alright, on this episode of Mana Chef, let's say it again. On this episode of Mana Chef, we just cook some chicken Alfredo. Yeah, you know things that you might show them clipping ready. So I was saying better than some boy. JR can't come test you know the way there. So yeah, I'm about to consume this. Because of the light in my even phone right now, computer and the memory, but yeah, that's it. Yeah, so on I'll link it back later after I'm done. Tell you what it is. Hey man. So there. So I just go on. Let me see if I can see what I go on. And so I just go on, right? Yeah, that just go on. One, foodie good. Tell the chef yourself a big up myself. Pat myself on the back. One thing I would change about that is the amount of Parmesan cheese. No, Parmesan I put in there. Yeah, that's the only thing. Because they make it kind of too thick. That's what I was running away from. But yeah, overall it's good. It's good. Yeah. So until next time, if you have any ideas, suggestions, or want to know what to cook, just let me know. Alright. Peace.
Turn it on.